Hi friends, welcome to Mansulla Tutorials. అందరూ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? అందరూ బాగున్నారు, అందరూ నేను ఉండాలి. So hope all are doing good. So in previous video we have discussed about the uniform civil code meaning and introduction and advantages and disadvantages of uniform civil code. మన మునుపటి వీడియోలో మన యూనిఫామ్ సివిల్ కోడ్ యొక్క ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అలాగే మీనింగ్ దాని యొక్క అడ్వాంటేజెస్ డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ గురించి అయితే తెలుసుకున్నాము. సో అందులో భాగంగానే దాని యొక్క కంటిన్యూషన్ యూనిఫామ్ సివిల్ కోడ్ పార్ట్ 2. నేను ఇంతకుముందే చెప్పాను యూనిఫామ్ సివిల్ కోడ్ ఏ చట్టాలని రిప్లేస్ చేస్తుందనేది ఈ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో యాజ్ ఆల్రెడీ సెడ్ దట్ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో వాట్ ఆర్ ద some of the personal laws which is replaced by the uniform civil code. So let us get into the video. Before going to video, please subscribe my channel. If you are watching for the first time, please don't forget to click on bell icon. If you like the video, please like. If you still love the video, please share my video to other students or other any general public. So as my videos are mostly useful for law students and general public, so everyone should aware of the what law is going in India. So let us discuss what are the some of the acts which is replaced by the uniform civil code. The first, if we discuss, there are several personal laws related to Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Jain, and Zoroastrianism, Persian law. There are different laws. We have taken some three important religions which are exist in India. That is Hindu law and Muslim law and Christianity law. So in first of all, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Hindu Succession Act 1956, the Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, and other Guardianship Act of Hindu. All these acts are going to be replaced by UCC if UCC is get implemented. So next, very important, most of the critics and most of the celebrities of India says that celebrities, here you should note that celebrities are not equal to actors of industry. It means celebrities or the administrative body or the political leaders or other professionals who exist with law. All other are called as celebrities. So they mostly says that it is mainly targeting on Muslims and minorities and Christians of India. So the Muslim Women Protection Divorce Act 1986 will be removed and the UCC will be applicable to all the Muslims. Along with that, dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939 and Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application 1937, which is exist now in India. All these are laws are existed in now in India. So along with that, Musalman Waqf Act 1923 will be removed or replaced by UCC if once UCC is existed in India. So when we come to Christianity, so Indian Christian Marriage Act 1872 and Indian Divorce Act 1869, Marriage Dissolution Act 1936 and Indian Succession Act 1925. All these acts are going to be replaced if once UCC is going to implement. So all these are some of the personal laws as to be quoted in video. These are very important laws in our daily life. So I have quoted all these laws and other some personal laws of different religions will be removed and they will be replaced by UCC Uniform Civil Code once the Parliament will implement this. The total power of this bill is in the hands of Parliament only. So we can say that marriage and divorce are deeply things which deals in religious laws. So they are called as personal laws. Why they are called as personal law means marriage and divorce are think deeply in their personal laws. That is in Hindu religion, in Muslim religion, in Christian religion. The Marriage Act, Special Marriage Act and other different acts were there with the people of the India. So as I quoted in last video that is any state of India has implemented this UCC or not. Till now I didn't get I got only less answers, and along with that I have quoted one more question in last video that is this UCC is required present or at present or not. That I got very less comments on that video. So hope in this video you will comment is UCC is required at present or not. But as per Law Commission of India 2018, UCC is neither necessary nor desirable at present in 2018. It was said by Law Commission of India. I think I remember the name as Gupta, Justice Gupta and B.S. Chauhan has quoted this word that UCC is neither necessary nor desirable at present. In my view, after concluding all this chapter or concept, I conclude that as Law Commission quoted, I too copy paste that same quotation that UCC is neither necessary nor desirable at present in future in India, as India is a democratic and socialistic and republic secular country. In secular country, in democratic country, we have different types of religions with different type of cultures. There are about 3,000 castes and 25 sub-castes are exist in India, and different number of religions, near about 8 to 10 religions people are living in India. So it is very difficult to implement among all them. So I hope that this UCC will be very difficult to implement in future also. So next we get into second point. Is any state of India has implemented this UCC? Yes, one of the state of 29 states of India, that is Goa, has implemented this UCC in their state. So here state defines in political science and polity, that says that state defines country. So the state of Goa is a one state to implement UCC. So basing on this, the central government showing that the Goa is going very well in implementation of UCC. So as like we will implement same in India also, as government is planning. As I previously said that there were 63 votes in favor of UCC and 23 votes or in opposed to this UCC. So in my view, I can say that Goa is the smallest state of India, which is about 1.5 million, 5 million people. But India is a largest country, so with near about 140 crores of the people in India. So it is not easy to implement this as implemented in Goa as to in India. So in my view, that is very difficult. So hope you are you completely understand what is the usage and advantage and disadvantages, and what are the laws will be removed if once UCC will come to in India. So please సజెస్ట్ మీ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ మిస్టేక్ హ్యాస్ డన్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్. నా తరపు నుంచి ఏదైనా తప్పు జరిగింటే నన్ను క్షమించండి. అలాగే ఐఎమ్ రెడీ టు టేక్ యువర్ సజెషన్స్. ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా కామెంట్ చేయండి. సో ఐఎమ్ రెడీ టు టేక్ ఆల్ ద కామెంట్స్ అండ్ సజెషన్స్. మై కామెంట్ బాక్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఓపెన్ ఫర్ ద సజెషన్ కామెంట్స్. వై? బికాస్ this is not what we can say. This uniform civil code is not related to any particular region or particular caste. I'm not, and this is not for any majority people. But as we Indians quoted that this law will be targeting on this will be targeting on minorities, and the rule will be hand over to the majorities, as some of the people says in news debates. So I request you to don't get into the political game. This is as this BJP is making this UCC as a political agenda. So don't get into that point way. Please go into exam point view and general point of view, so that UCC is required for India or not. So I am hoping for your comments. Please like my channel. If you so watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If any doubts, please mention me at comment section. I will be available for you to suggest. I take your suggestion. So if I have done any grammatical mistakes in my language or regional language, please accept me. Thank you. Have a nice day. You're signing off, Mansoor Al Sheikh. Thank you.